Compatible Garmin watches offer the Sports Scores widget, allowing you to track teams across multiple different leagues at the same time. This lets you check real-time scores, schedules, and standings directly on your watch. To ensure the Sports Scores widget has the latest information, your watch must remain paired with the Garmin Connect app and have the software updated to the latest version. First, let's add the Sports Scores widget to the watch. We will use the fēnix 8 for this demonstration, but the operation is mostly the same for other watches. From the watch face, press the down button to enter the glances loop. Scroll down to the bottom, find Edit, and enter. Select Add. Select Sports Scores. Press the confirmation button to add it to the glances loop. Next, let's return to the glances loop. Find and enter the newly added sports scores. First, select a league. For instance, if I want to track the World Cup this time, I will select International. Next, choose the teams you want to follow. For example, I will randomly pick a few teams. Once checked, select Done at the very bottom. The watch will immediately display the matches for these teams. You can tap My Teams at the bottom at any time. At the very bottom, you can add more teams or select a specific team to set it as a favorite or remove it from the list. If you add multiple teams at the same time, the widget will prioritize displaying the teams you have favorited. If you haven't set any favorite teams, the widget will prioritize displaying live match scores or display completed matches in chronological order, as well as upcoming matches. The information at the top of the page will also be displayed in the outer glance view of the widget.